everyone, welcome to the Knowledge Bites. I am Deepika Singh, e-learning specialist and subject matter expert. Now, moving to our digital marketing module 3. In this module, we are going to learn about the niches of content marketing, which is a very important topic in digital marketing. So, let's explore. So, now we will understand what is a content marketing. So, according to the definition, content marketing involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately to derive the profitable customer action. So this is the definition. But what is the content first? Understand this thing. Content is something kind of any kind of information which we are using to attract our to provide the information to our concerned customers about our products, about our service or something for which we want to do our marketing. So it's very important. Content marketing helps in building the trust. It fosters the relationships with our customers and supports other marketing efforts by providing useful information that addresses the customer needs and pain points. Actually, through this content marketing, we provide the relevant information about the frequently asked questions of our customers and many other informations. And this is very important for any in this era of digital marketing. So this is something. So let's explore, move further. Now you have understood the definition of content marketing, but now we will understand the benefits of content marketing. So it's the first benefit is increased brand awareness. Every company has their own brand, but awareness is very important because to make the people to know about our company, our service. So what is the brand awareness? It provides a consistent, high quality content that can significantly boost the brand visibility and recognition. Actually, I know something. I'm a teacher, but if I'm not going to tell others people that I know this subject, how can the people will know about this thing? My company is producing some product, but if I'm not going to tell them that my company is providing this kind of product or service, how can the people are going to know? So this is basically very important in content marketing. So it helps in providing our brand visibility and recognition. Then the next is audience engagement. Audiences are the customer, the concerned customer. It helps in engaging the content, keeps the audience interested and encouraging interaction. Actually, you see that there are companies which provide lots of ads. If their ad is appealing, if their ad has something which can able to attract the customer, which can able to catch the eye of the customer, then only the audience get engaged, that will be interested, and then they further will try to know more about the service. So then it will honestly it will convert into getting the customer. Now the next is lead generation. As I was talking about, like getting the customer. Lead generation is information content attract potential customers and convert them to lead. Like if suppose my content is very good and I'm providing lot of good information about our product and something, then obviously uh, that can able to convert our customers. Our advertisement can bring the customers. Then next is SEO benefit. This is search engine optimization benefits. Just a minute. Uh, it Search engine optimization is to know the best methods, keys through which we can able to put our keys of our search engines on our company's profile on search engines. So by applying this SEO benefits, we can able to provide quality content that has improved search engines ranking and drive organic traffic. I'm again explaining you, like if I have my company and my company has a certain website. Like more generally, when people look for some kind of products on Google or other search engines, they only scroll. Most of the people, it is like the search. The searches which come on first page or second page, they only go there. but they don't like to move further, and mostly on the one page. So by SEO we can able to put our content, our company's profile in the first page itself, so that we can able to attract more and more customers. Then the next benefit is cost effective. As you can know that the digital marketing is far more cheaper than other kind of means. We can and it provides a very a huge reach. It provides a very wide reach to our customers. So by using these content marketing methods, we can able to market our company products in a very cheaper way. So these all were the benefits of content. Moving further, we are going to learn about the types of content which are used in content marketing. So the first is blog posts. The blog post is like these days a lot of companies, each and every company develop their own blogs to provide the information about their service and products. The main purpose of this blog post is to share the insights, tips, and industry news to attract and engage the readers. Like I'm in IT, I always follow the IBM and Microsoft blogs, through which I can able to know the current technologies the company is providing, the current technology the industry is providing. So the best practice of writing a good blog is to use catchy headlines, include proper visuals, appealing visuals, and optimize your blog on SEO and use a proper. Now the next is videos. For content marketing, the videos also come in content marketing, because video is a multimedia. Video, what is a video? Video is a combination of content, pictures, sound. So this is a video. So we can able to the best practice to develop what is the purpose of the video? Actually, it delivers the engaging and easily digestible information. You can see that most of the advertisements comes in the form of videos. So and it attracts the customers. They can show how the product to be used, what are the how the customers feedback. They can show these things through their videos. So the best practices to develop the video is to deliver engaging, easily digestible information in a visual format. And the best practices to keep the video concise. Your video should not be very long, and it should include a call to action and optimize for the mobile views. It's very important, because these days most of the people's view the things on mobile. So your every video should be mobile friendly also. Then the next is ebooks and white papers. So ebooks and white papers are very important, as they ebooks and white papers are very important, because like if in a technical field, so we have to write about the latest technologies, we have to provide about latest information. So ebooks and white papers are very important, and the best practice is to provide the latest information and that latest technology in the latest trends. Then the next is social media posts. These days, most of the peoples are on in social media, either it be on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. So it's very important, as a professional company, each and every professional company provides the information on LinkedIn. So we can able to get our concerned customers from there, and our post should be relevant to our services and products. Then the next is infographics. Infographics is also very important, because it presents the complex information in a visually appealing and easily understandable format. Because infographics is a form of a poster, which is providing the information about our service or our product. The best practice is to use clear, concise text and high quality graphics, because here the graphics is something which should be appealing and good. Then the next is podcast. These days, podcast is also becoming very prevalent. Uh, these things, podcast is also becoming very important, because in these podcasts, uh, It helps in reaching the audience who prefer audio content, sharing expertise and industry knowledge. In podcast these days, these video podcasts are also coming these days, through which we can come interact. We can take the interviews of our the industry leaders or our company head. They can able to provide lot of information about the company, which helps in developing the trust among our customers. Then the next is case studies. Case studies is very important because case studies provide the real life. Because companies, you have to show up the case studies. You have to show the success stories and about your service, about your company products, so that it can able to develop the trust among the customers. Moving further, we are going to learn the content strategy, how to develop the good and engaging content. The first step is to perform our audience research. Audience research is basically to understand our targeted customer. How can we able to do this thing? The first step is to identify our target audience. We have to understand our the demographics, interests, and their pain point. Pain point is means the most of the problems which they face in the current products, and how can our company provide better products for our concerned customers. So we have to research on this thing. And the next is creating a buyer's persona. Buyer's persona is basically, you can in digital marketing you will furthermore learn about how to develop persona. Persona is basically like if I am selling, my company is selling some beauty product. I'm just only giving an example. So what are the age level? What the ladies are going to require? This is something which we have to do. We have to understand. So for understanding this thing, we have to create a buyer's persona. Suppose my company is selling a car, so then we will understand like now what is the age group of the person, what kind of a color, what kind of hobbies the person has. If the person is looking for this product, what kind of features the person is going to look for that. So we have to develop a complete buyer's persona. So again, then that is now next is content planning and strategy. The content planning and creation strategy is to in doing this thing. The first step is to setting our goals. What we have to do. First of all, we have, if like that's something somewhere I have heard. If we will know, if we can able to set what we have to do, then half of the battle is won. So this is the importance of the goal. So it's very important to set our goals, defining what you want to achieve with your content. For example, brand awareness, leading generation. What is the purpose of your content? We have to first of all understand this thing, and according to that, we have to set our goals. Then, content calendar planning. How can we able to develop a content calendar? We have to planning content topics, formats, and publishing dates to ensure the consistency. It is something like developing a GNAT chart of what we have to do first and what we have to do next, what we have to do next. So we have to completely develop our WBS GNet chart for our project. Then content creation. Content creation is very important. Writing, designing, and producing high quality content tailored according to our audience requirement. Then that is the next step is first understanding is setting up the goals, not developing our content calendar, then creating content creation. And the next is content distribution, making our content reach to our customer. That is our content distribution. So how can we able to do it? We can do it with our own media. Own media is like we can publish our content on your website, on our website, on our blogs, and on our social media channels. Then the next is earned media. Earned media is getting your content shared or mentioned by others. For example, influencers, media outlets. These days, companies take the help of the media influencers or advertise their products on other websites or other channels which are very much popular. Then the next is Paid media. Paid media is promoting content through paid advertising. You know that these there Google or YouTube or any other even on the websites, they promote the company's product by taking the charges. So we can able to advertise our content by using the paid media. I have explained you before also, but I'm just making a recall. What are the best SEO practice for content? The first is keyword integration. We should develop a strong and appealing keyword, and we should integrate our keywords in our content so that the so that on the search engines our content, our ads or our blogs should come very easily for the for the users. Then the next is internal linking. Link your keywords, link your keywords, or link your content to the other popular websites. Internal linking. Then the next is readability. Your content should be readable. The language should be simple. Your images, whatever the emojis you have used in your content, should be used according to the topic. All the content should be the paginity should be there, the color of the content should be proper. So these are the best practices for SEO of your content. Moving further, we are going to learn about the methods for using multimedia effectively in content. The multimedia is very important. Again, I am telling you what is a multimedia. Multimedia is a combination of video, sound, text. So the first thing which we are going to learn is how to incorporate the visuals in our multimedia. Incorporating images, videos, infographics and other visual elements to enhance the content. Then the next, your visuals, what the content cannot say, a picture says. So we should use our pictures properly and about our services, about our products in a is very important. The next is interactive content. Interactive content means it's very important to use the quizzes, polls, and interactive infographics to engage the audience, so that the customer can able to get attract to our products and services. You can visit to the LinkedIn, in which effectively interactive content is very is highly used there. Effectively they are used there. Then the next is, now moving further, we are going to learn about various tools for measuring the content performance. The first, we will understand about the key metrics. The first is traffic. Monitoring the numbers of visitors to your content with the help of various tools, we can able to measure the traffic, how many people have visited our website. Then engagement, measuring the likes, shares and comments and time spent on our content. We can able to know this thing, how many people have shared or liked our content. Then conversions are basically like how many this number of users have visited my blog or website or our, and how many people have really ordered our service, how many people have downloaded our package or something. So this is basically called the conversion. Then the next is SEO performance. SEO performance is basically analyzing the search rankings, backlinks, and organic traffic with the help of various SEO tools. Then the next is tools for content analysis. The tools for content analysis are, the first is Google Analytics. You know that the Google is the biggest search engine. So Google itself provides the Google Analytics application through which we can able to track our website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. Then the next is social media analytics. With the help of social media analytics, like on Facebook and Twitter analytics, we can able to measure the engagement, how many users are visiting our Facebook page or our Facebook post. So we can able to track this kind of information. Then SEO tools. SEO tools helps in monitoring the keywords, backlinks and site performance with the tools like SEMrush, Ahref and Moz, which I have discussed already in our module 2. Now we are going to learn about the successful digital campaigns, which is very important. You can see the ad of digital campaign of ANF, whose tagline is "Made possible by Host," which have attracted the company a lot of customers, which is very appealing. Next is Apple work from home campaign in pandemic, which they have done this campaign, which has attracted a lot of people. And similarly, you can see the campaigns of Barbie company, their film, and then you can see the campaign of the Coca-Cola, just to name a few. Then American Express, so many companies, so many kind of companies. You can go through their digital campaigns and you can understand what of the catchy things, or what kind of catchy campaign they develop. And you should practice on this thing, and you can develop this thing by yourself also again as a dummy business profile. And this is going to be very helpful for you. Moving further, now this is the quiz time. Now, the first question is, what is the primary goal of content marketing? So, the answer is to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. So, the next question is, which metric is most commonly used to measure content engagement on social media? Think. The answer is like, share, and comments. The next is, answer it true or false. Content marketing is only effective when it directly promotes a product or service. So the answer is false. Next is, creating a content calendar helps to ensure consistency in content publishing. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Then the next question is, video content tends to have higher engagement rates compared to text only content. Yes, it is again true. So this is all in our quiz time. So we have come to the end of this module. Hope, thank you very much, and hope you have learned a lot. And we will move in the next part, next module of our digital marketing. So get tuned to me, and provide valuable feedback and suggestions how to improve my work. So thank you very much for viewing my video, and get tuned and happy learning.